What's up with today, Papa?
We are going to open up a box that contains hopefully a humidifier.
Hopefully.
The air in here gets kind of dry with the heater going all the time.
So you bought the same one that we used to have?
Close to it as I could. The model that we had was discontinued, but this is very similar.
Oh, okay.
It's one that sits on top of a 5-gallon container of water. And this arrangement allows you to easily move the full 5 gallons of water, and it puts it at the right height to where I can roll it up to the sink, and the pull-out hose will come over and just fill right into here very conveniently. So you got the outer box.
Yeah, it looks like the same.
It looks the same.
Not exactly the same.
I don't know if it's exactly the same, but the components certainly look like they are. But the rating was slightly different, so I'm not sure. But it does look exactly the same. It really, really does.
I hope it works the same too,
Yeah.
because I like the old one. It's like a flying object.
Yeah, flying saucer.
Yeah.
See if the remote looks the same. I don't know what this nice little cloth is.
It's for wiping.
Huh. Oh, the remote is a little bit different. Doesn't look like it has batteries with it. We're gonna have to get some batteries. I suspect. 2 AAAs. I think I have a couple of AAAs in the office. Instructions. So I suspect the manufacturer is the same, but it's marketed under 2 different names. The other one was Vivor. I don't know, the website says kikun.com. The only place where I'm seeing a definite difference in the components is the remote. But the inside here looks exactly the same, pretty much.
So that means you're not gonna read the manual.
As if I would anyway. I might, depending, but I already have experience with pretty much the same components, so I probably won't. Pickup tube. And you go. That just pops over there. Voila. I'm gonna go get a couple batteries real quick.
Oh, you have spare battery. Oh no.
Oh, the battery's already in. You're falling behind. These are supposed to help keep your humidifier clean for a longer period of time.
That's for cleaning the water?
It's for maintaining the cleanliness of the water. We'll just put one of them right there, one right here. Ta-da!
This is a ginormous humidifier.
Well, and it has 2 atomizers in it instead of just one, and multiple setting levels and so forth.
So now we're gonna test it if it works. Oh no!
B, power. So that part's the same. Should be over here looking at the readout.
Oh yeah.
So 46%, we want to go maybe 60%. And it usually well, maybe we'll bump it up a little higher just to get it activated. Takes a few minutes for the water to get up there to where it's doing something.
Yeah, I can hear it now.
Starting to go a little output.
Yeah, I can feel the air.
You can feel it a little bit here. You should be able to see it. Let's bump it up from 3. We'll go up to here. Let's see. There's the UV light. That's the UV light that keeps the water cleaner also. Oh, plus. There you go, picking out. And usually we just have that on a 1, and it'll last for, what's it usually last, like 3 days? 4 days?
4, 5 days.
4 or 5 days, yeah.
Depends to the level, I think.
Yeah. But at 3, we don't need it at 3. 1 will be sufficient. And it's still kicking out because I got it set to 70%, which I probably want to change. Back to 60. And it's still kicking out because it's kind of dry in here. So there we go. It's functioning.
Okay, let's transfer it now to the bedroom.
Yeah.
What happened to the other humidifier? We're not using it.
Well, I need to make a change to how I do the maintenance, the cleaning on it. The problem, let me just turn this off and I'll show you. Drip, drip. The issue that the other one had, I believe, is when I was cleaning it, some water got down in here and got onto a circuit board and shorted out a component.
I think that's the same issue with the other humidifiers that we have, the small ones.
But
when the water gets inside it,
from now on,
it malfunctioned.
when I clean it, I'm going to put a piece of tape over this, and I don't think the other openings are an issue per se. But you also don't want to get any water in through here or the other openings on the bottom. But you need to be able to rinse this out real good when you go to clean it. Because what I usually do is I'll put vinegar in here and then use a brush or a swab and clean the inside with this after it's been soaking with vinegar for a bit. And then I use the spray nozzle from the faucet to rinse it out. And that's where you can get some water in here if you don't put something on there to make sure water can't get into it.
Okay.
So there you go. All right, ready to put this thing in and get it into service. And Here's where the wheel dolly comes in real handy. Ta-da!
There you go. It works properly. Papa, thank you for setting up the new humidifier.
Absolutely.
You're really good at this.
Well, that was a tough job, I'm telling you. It's called plug and play. It worked great.